fine, I have seen. Now what more I want? Interest might not be the only arrears that is there. I want him to verify the ineligible credit also. Suppose I remember there was a case pertaining to the same assessee regarding an ineligible credit. So I want him to verify that ineligible credit file also. So I'll send back to him. I'll put a green note telling, please put up with the file pertaining to ineligible credit pertaining to the same assessee or related to the same assessee. Now I am sending back this to the RO or the superintendent, telling you verify it, please put up with the ineligible credit file. So I remember there is a file. So I am telling him you put up with that file. Now how will that person be able to see? He will go to his inbox. Okay. Now he will be able to see that file has come back. Okay, it has come back from AC. What is the comment? Comment is, please put up with the file pertaining to ineligible credit related to the SSE. Now what will I do? I will find out that file and then I want to link to that file. Now the RO, he will write the file is linked. Now where will he link the file? How will he transfer the other file? Find out the other file and transfer it to the person who said he wants that file. This option, link. Top you can see a link option. There you have to click on this internal file. He will have to click on this attach. He will see all the files. So where is the ineligible credit file that I was talking about pertaining to the Macronics? It is here, computer number 350, ineligible credit Macronics. So I am selecting that. Now that ineligible credit file also will move along with this file. I am selecting that, I am attaching it. So I am telling the file is linked, put up for perusal. So what has happened here? The AC said to the RO or superintendent, you put up with a file that I remember, which is regarding ineligible credit of the same assessee. Now what he has done, he has found out that file, he has linked that file to the current file and he is sending it back. I'm sending it back for approval again. The file also put up. Now that file, where will it appear? It will come to the AC's inbox. He will again open. I am seeing, oh, file is linked, put up for perusal. Where will he be able to see the file? He will go to link. He will go to internal files here. Okay, this is the file. How will he see it? He will click on it. Okay, this is the file. Now I saw this is regarding the ineligible credit of Macronics. Macronics has reversed the ineligible credit determined by DRC1 dated 4/6. Okay, so this arrears is not there. This is already cleared. Now see the peculiar nature of linking. So I'm not able to do any note action here. I'm not able to do any send action here. I'm not able to do edit action here. So what has linking done? Linking has created a copy of the other file and sent it to you. But the original file, whoever was dealing with, that will still be there in that inbox and they will continue to deal with that file. So it is like taking a photocopy of one file, putting it up along with the current file. So linking will not transfer the entire file. It will transfer a copy of file. That is the difference. That is evident from the fact that we cannot do any action here. We cannot add a note. We cannot do an edit. We cannot do a send. So this is linking of file. So how has he linked the file? He found out the file, he put it here in link internal files through this attach. How did the person to whom he sent saw the file? He also went to the link. He saw the internal files. He saw the file there. He clicked on it. He saw that file and he found out that, okay, that arrears is closed. Now that is fine. But now what I want, if the arrears was closed in that file, in that ineligible credit file, why was it not closed? So the AC, what does AC want? He wants that file to be closed. Will he be able to close that? No, because that file was not sent to him. Only a copy of the file was sent to him. Now I want that file as an attachment. I want that person to send that file with this file, not a copy of the file. I want the original file to come to me so that I can close it in file. How will I do that? I am putting a green note here. I am telling him or her, please attach. See the difference? One is link, another one is attach. Please attach the file and send it to me for closure. I am sending it back. So here I'm telling for necessary action, most immediate, I'm sending it. Now the RO sees it in his inbox. So it has come back. Okay. From the AC. So let me see what is the comment. I'm going inside. Okay. So the AC has said, please attach the file and send it to me for closure. Now what will he do? He will have to attach that file rather than doing it, rather than linking it. Where will he do the attachment? You can see an option attachment here. He will click on attachment file. You can see on top there is an attachment. He will click on attachment file. He will select this attach file. He will see all the files. Okay, ineligible credit Macronics is there. He is attaching it. File attached. So I have attached the file. Now let's see how I'm going to send it back. Now the RO superintendent has attached the file. Now I have to put some note. It is no one notification will always come based on your settings. If you did not put any noting, it will prompt you telling it is a blank note. So let me put a green note telling the file is attached and resent. So previously what he had done, he had only linked the file. That is a copy of the file he had put. Now what he had done, he had attached that file. He had attached that file and he's going to send it back. Now he's going to send it back to the AC who wanted that file. I'm sending it back. Okay. So now how the RO superintendent will be able to see, he will be able to see it. Okay, the file has come back from AC. No, I mean, sorry. The RO superintendent has sent it to AC. Now the AC will be able to see it in his inbox. Now AC says, okay, I think there is an attachment. You can see here, there is an attachment. Okay, so he might have attached the file. This is an attachment symbol, which will let you know without opening the file that there is a file or a receipt that is attached. Now I'm going inside the file. I saw, okay, the file is attached and resent. Where is the file? The file will be there in attachments. He has to go to file. So here on top in attachment, I saw that file. Okay, it is attached. Now, how can I close it? When I click on it also, it will come as a preview. I will not be able to close it. How will I be able to close it? When it is an attachment, I can detach the file. Where here? Here there's a detachment. I can detach that file. Detached for closure. Okay. Now it is detached. So it will come and sit in my inbox. Oh, I got ineligible credit Macronics file. So what has happened? Now I have asked the RO or superintendent to send that attach that file and send it so that I can close it. He sent it. I saw it in the attachments. I detached that file. It has come in my inbox. Now I am opening the inbox. I want to close this file. How will I close? Because the action is already done. I have to close. I have to go to this more. I'll have to click on close. So I'll get a file icon here, file folder here. I'll have to put a closing remarks. That is mandatory. I'll put action already completed because he reversed the ineligible credit. I am closing it. Are you sure you want to close? Okay. So where will I see all the files closed by me by others? Here in closed tab. If you see the left, there is closed is written here. When you go there, when you click on this closed by me, I'll be able to see ineligible Macronics file, credit Macronics file is closed because action already completed. Closing